do you want?
Action! You passing what she's doing. You're seeing.
If I had a helper that supports me, I wouldn't even bother. So everything I have in my life now, I built from scratch. Hi guys, I just got home from work. It's weekend and I'm so exhausted. But today I just have to do this because there is no other time. I'm still working tomorrow, Sunday. I told you guys I'm going to be showing you guys my honest, real journey as a single mom. I work 9 to 5 and I still work weekends time. Guys, like if I had a helper, by helper now, I mean a partner that supports me, whether a husband or a boyfriend, that supports me, like major support. I wouldn't even bother, like I won't even stress myself to be doing this over time. But when I say mega support, of course it has to be worth it. Do you understand me? If I have somebody giving me extra, let me not call an amount, let me just leave it at that, but just take it like that. If I had extra support, I wouldn't even bother about this over time. I know some married ladies in my office that don't even bother. They just, like, please, I'm not interested, because of course it's voluntary, right? Anyway guys, so for today I'm gonna take you guys with me as I keep upgrading my home. Remember in the last video I showed you guys the unboxing of my biggest appliance yet, which is my deep freezer. The link to that video will also be in the description. Okay, so if you want to watch it, you can go and watch that. But today I'll be showing you guys sofa. Yeah, I got not new, second-handed sofa. I have this someone in my new neighborhood, who had some old sofa. So when they had that, I wanted to buy sofa. Like, this is when I was living in my former house. I showed you guys. So if that one is in my moving video, I show you guys before and after, so of my upgrade. So guys, I actually started this series of upgrading my life as a single mom. So the series, everything I'm going to be doing about upgrading my life and rebuilding will be there. And I'm just doing this series because in reality, when my marriage fell apart, I didn't live with anything. Literally, I only left with my box of clothes. In fact, I actually went on a trip, and then when the thing happened, they sent the remaining of my clothes. So other things I used to live in the house I came into the marriage with, gas cooker and other things, I never got them back. Just my clothes, my documents, that's it. So everything I have in my life now, I built from scratch. Everything I have, like, I live with, cooking, pots, plates, everything. I started from the beginning. Yeah, so even though I didn't show you guys all those processes, but like right now I want to share. And part of why I'm doing this, not because I just want people to just know my story. There are a lot of women that feel like single parenting is such an impossible thing. I'm not here to encourage women to leave their marriages, God forbid, because I'm very pro marriage and pro family. I never lived my life expecting that I'm going to be a single mom, but it's something that happened to me, and I didn't have anybody to look up to, because in my family, as at that time, there wasn't any other single mom in my family. There's nobody. I didn't even know what that was, what that kind of life was. So I learned, literally, when they say learning on the job, because single parenting is not a relationship status. It's a journey, it's a calling, it's a job description, literally. So I literally learned on the job, and I know that there are so many women like that. There are so many women that don't know what to do. They don't know where to start. They're already there. There are some that are already in a toxic, like really bad marriage, and they don't know how to come out, because to them, how will I start? Where will I start? Right? Where will I start? So before I continue, guys, I have a series on the ultimate guide to surviving as a single mom. It's still on the channel. It's on one of the playlists. Then this particular one is upgrading and rebuilding my life. So this is it. So I got this second-handed sofa. It's not what I want. Let me just show you guys. So this is the sofa. I washed it last night. It's a 3-seater. I washed them. I washed them last night because I was tired and I knew that I was going to go to work today. Of course, I'm going to get a carpenter eventually to change the body and also the color, because I don't like this color. I'm a minimalist, really, so I don't like so much brightness, and even if I wanted the bright tone in my house, it would just be one, probably this one, but the rest something more minimal, right? So for now, but I will just manage it for now because this is what I have. So I got it second-handed from someone. They also probably changed their set and just left this has been in their rooms, like what you chill on when you're in the room. So when they heard I wanted to buy a sofa, they said, oh, they have something to offer me if I would like it. I wanted to go, and there's what we call Panteka in Abuja. I don't know if it's in other states. So in Panteka you can get anything, literally: washing machine, fridge, deep freezer, ACs, anything, home appliances, home gadgets and stuff like that. So Panteka sofas, they are telling you second-hand sofas 250, 350, 150. It's not even 150 is good. 250, like, yeah, when you see a set. So I got this. It's less than 100k. So we're gonna put that in the living room right now, and yeah, whenever I'm ready to change it, I'll also show you guys.
Hi guys, at least one with you guys for now.
Guys, people should do like, let's carry this thing inside.
Yes, mommy, yeah, alright.
What will I do now if I don't carry it? What will I do? I do this video is because I want to inspire women. I want to show so many women that this thing can be done, and you don't have to be sleeping around. In my 8 years of living as a single parent, I have never sold my body for sex. I have worked my ass off, and then by the special grace of God, with the help of amazing friends, few of them, I don't have many friends. I'm not a I'm open, like I can be, how do they call us? We're not introverts, we're not extroverts, more like divergent. I can't remember, but we're in the middle, right? We are those ones, our own temperament or whatever, personality, we are in the middle of it. You get, we are open to the people we want to open up to. We're not open to everybody. And so yes, I have very few friends. Most of my friends you see date back to 5 years, 6 years. You check my life now, you won't see any new friends. Maybe my neighbor, I met my neighbor in my former neighborhood 2 years ago. That was the only friend I made till I left that place. So that's the kind of person I am. But God has blessed me with very few friends that are quite impactful when it comes to being supportive in their own way. I also try my best so I don't become a burden and a liability to the people around me. So once in a while, when the need arises, I'm able to get 1 or 2 helps here and there. So yes, they have been helpful, in their own way. But majority of the time, 80-90% of the time, I've done shit on my own, like literally. Okay. No, I'm not Dangote's daughter. I don't have a rich dad. My parents are late, so no family inheritance, anything to help me. This is me. This is reality. Do you get me? That's why I do this, like to show you guys that this is the reality. And if I can do it, you can do it. You can do it. So you don't need to lower your standards. Don't listen to anybody. I'm going to talk more on those advice they give single mothers on another video, but this video is about upgrading my house, so let's get into it.
Yeah, baby. Shorty bad, no lie. Saw her once, now I need one more ride. Top down, city breeze in the night. If she down, we can slide to the sunrise. You talking cash, girl, I got racks. Wrist on shine and the seat laid back. She my type, yeah, I like that vibe. Hit replay just to see it one more. Shorty got that walk with the rhythm, looking like a vision. Baby, you different, all up in my mentions, calling me mister. We don't play games, but I'm deep in her system. I rock my chains, yeah, glow like a strobe. Fast life, baby, I stay on the go. If I shoot my shot, it's on net, no rim. She hop in the ride, say let's do it again. Ooh, she a vibe, yeah. Pulling up, looking like my type, yeah. And she know how to ride, yeah.
Action! You passing what she did. You're seeing when you carry that chair. With her, now let me know. If you see the cage that she's carrying, even me, I cannot carry it. Come on, chill.
Mommy is tired, that's why.
It's not me tired.
Mommy is tired. See? How many people are you watching?
Guys, I've not figured out how I'm going to arrange this place, because first of all, these girls are untidiness. They are 5 and 6. Yes, come and show yourself. Let them see. So they left the living room untidy, but today is Saturday, so I know that my niece was probably very busy, especially with washing of clothes. So please ignore my wrapper and anything to cover my window. I've not gotten a curtain. So guys, I'm gonna come back when I figure out the setup and just show you guys the setup. So next on the budget is gonna be a curtain. So guys, wish me luck, but this is the progress I've made so far. We have a sofa! Yay! Yeah! Actually my first sofa, guys. It's progress and it's worthy of celebration. Yes, so we can sit in the living room now for prayer, morning devotion, for watching movie nights, game nights. Sure, anything you guys do in the living room. Even me for filming, I also have I can literally set up in the living room and film. I don't have to film only in my room right now. So guys, I'm excited. So see you guys later. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me.
Bye. Because when you're not there, by me,
I love you guys.
Mama, they're not seeing you. You are so small. Go back. Go back.
Bye.
Bye. I love you guys.
Yeah, so guys, follow
Next time,
me.
eat more,
If
please.
you know any single mom that needs to be inspired, that needs to watch this, or if you know any mom struggling, even a single lady that is in a toxic relationship, that is feeling like, how can I set out on my own? Who will be my helper? This is to encourage you and show you that it can be done, especially if you don't even have a child. So it can be done. It can be done. You can be an independent woman. My goal is not to make you hate men or act like you don't need men. My goal is to show you that you can be fine on your own. You can be complete on your own. You can do shit on your own. It brings respect. It brings stability. You're a role model to your children. You're a role model to your family, to your younger ones. Like, you get the drift. You get the drift. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
My mentions calling me mister. We don't play games, but I'm deep in her system. I rock my chains, yeah, glow like a strobe. Fast life, baby, I stay on the go. If I shoot my shot, it's all net, no rim. She helping the ride, say let's do it again. Ooh, she a vibe, yeah. Pulling up, looking like my type, yeah. And she know how to ride.